Thank you, Oreol Academy, for allowing us to organize 2 sessions within a span of 8 days. We had a fantastic time last Sunday.
For an excellent session and wonderful surgical skills and teaching.
We got many points which were very useful for our daily practices.
And these 2 Sundays will be most memorable and useful Sundays for me.
It was a wonderful workshop today.
Very nice experience actually.
I, being a surgical gastroenterologist, had a very different opinion about bottom surgeries. But now I realize that the being updated in laser surgery is, laser proctology especially, is a norm for all the consulting surgeons.
Oreol Academy. Today we learned the most recent advances which we've been studying, but today we could see all the grades of hemorrhoids what we did today and the best applications.
I want to thank Oreol Academy and all team. He made this procedure very easy.
The section was so amazing and it was so informative also. And thank you, Oreol Academy.